Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your product page using Shopify. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you can just click on this online store right here on your left dashboard. Then from in there, you should be able to see all the themes. So for this one, you can see in here that I have my current theme, which is done. And just click on this one in order to make sure that your theme is up to date. If this is not updated, then make sure to update it here. Now, in order to have as or customize your actual product page, you can actually see that when we open this customize option right here, we have here some specific designs that is actually based on it. So let's click on this home page, let's click on this product, and let's see what the product page will look like from here. So as you can see, the product page looks so plain, it doesn't look so good. So what we can do is you can head back, exit this page right here, and then from in there, we should be able to see this theme library. Now for this one, you can just add a theme that you want. So for example, click on add theme right here and visit the theme store in order to add the theme that you want to add to your Shopify. Now I already added my theme right here, which is this refresh theme. So what I can do is I can click on this customize right here. Then once I click on that, it will show me what this theme will look like. So if we head over to homepage again and to the products, we can now see what it looks like from here. So as you can see, it looks not the same as earlier. So in order to customize your specific product page, you should be able to use the themes to customize it all in batch. Now, if there's something that you want to change in this specific page, you can just click on that specific element and it will open the settings for that specific thing. So in here, you can just choose what kind of text you want to add to this, as well as in this specific text in here anymore. So in here, you have share your first products. This is because I only have one product, and this is what it looks like on the interior of my actual desktop version. So in here, as you can see, there's no more section available, but you can actually add more section in. Now in this more section, you can add in your featured product. So for example, you can just click on the featured product and then click what you want to add to this specific section. So you can add in your related product that is actually related to the first product you have right here. So this is only applicable if you have another product that you can actually put in here. So you can just head over and then add this in here. So in that way, people who visit your Shopify page will be able to group them into one and then buy them if they are similar and if this is what they're looking for. Now you can click on select product right here and then select the product that you want. If you don't have that yet, you can click on create product right here. And then this will take you to the Shopify admin store. And then from in there, you should be able to add in here your own product as well. So for example, the first product we have is actually a t-shirt. So you can add in here a crop top, for example. You can also add in a description, also a media right here, as well as the pricing for that specific product. So we can just fill out everything right here. And once you have done that, you can also track the quantity as well as the shipping right here. Totally depends on what you want to add. And then in here, you should be able to see this. It is actually active. So click on save right here. So for now, I didn't add a picture yet since it's just an example. But let's head over again to our store. And then in here, it will launch refresh yet. So what we can do is we can click on refresh right here in order to refresh our specific site. So let's head over and refresh it and reload it. So once we reload it, we should be able to see the new product that we have created for our Shopify store. So let's just wait for this again to finish the loading process. And in here, you can see everything. So let's just add in here. You can see here the related products. So in here, you can see more things that you can add. Under this related products right here, you can add a section template, which is a featured product. So on the featured product that we have added, we can click on select product and we should be able to see in here the new product that we have added. So let's just click on that and click on select. We should be able to add that in here as well. So in here, they will also have a description if you have that, as well as other pictures if you actually added those in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.